First, please check you have all of the components. Lay all part A face up, so the wood grain direction goes up and down the length. Remove 2 of part A and place back into the box for spares. Take 1 of part A, that you will not clip the first 3 on the left side. Now insert clips part C in all the remaining left side of the piece. For the following 19 of part A, insert clips part C in all on the left side of the pieces. Start with a single part A, then place 1 of the 19 other part A beside the piece and then clip them together. Make sure you support the back of the parts when clipping together. Repeat this to form the shape. Optional lamp holder cover over the cord, push on tight to cover bulb holder. Unwind cord gripper part D and place onto the cord part E, as shown here. Position the bulb holder to be slightly higher than the middle of the shape. Tighten the cord gripper part D. Thread the top part B on the cord part E. Make sure the top's connecting tabs are pointed downwards. Push the top and cord into the shape, then clip into place. Finish by inserting the final 3 clips. Well done! You have successfully made your kit set light.
Hi, thank you for buying one of our lights. I hope you enjoyed making it. It's fun. And thank you also for being part of our seed system. We do everything we can to be as environmentally responsible, and you being part of that by embracing the kit set making of the lights reduces the impact of those lights on their environment. Thank you very much. Please follow us on our social media. Keep up to date with our whānau, with our family. Enjoy your light. Kia ora.